Hi, I'm Jim and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to make an insanely easy enchilada casserole. It's so insane that when I read the recipe, I said, this cannot be possible. But just wait, it is delicious. Stay tuned. Okay, for this recipe, what you'll need is a 13-ounce bag or so of tortilla chips, any kind, whatever's the least expensive. We're going to need some Mexican cheese or tortilla cheese, whatever's at your store. We're going to use some sharp cheddar cheese, a medium onion chopped. We're going to use about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. We're going to use, I believe this is a 24-ounce jar of salsa. Use your favorite kind. Mine has beans and corn in it. We're going to use a large can of enchilada sauce. I'm using red today. Green also works. We're using a can of sliced olives and some sour cream for the garnish. Let's get started. Before we get cooking our ground beef and adding our ingredients, what we're going to do is preheat the oven to 350. Okay, let's get going on our ground beef. Okay, using a non-stick skillet, what we're going to do is mash up our ground beef. And I love this little tool. I think I got it on Amazon for about $5. Just look up for a meat masher. It really comes in handy and so much easier than using a spoon or fork or whatever we've used in the past. So let's just get this browned up. We want to get this broken down to a crumble size, so just keep working at it until it gets down to a crumble size and it's cooked thoroughly. We're getting there. This takes more time than putting the whole casserole together. Okay, now that our beef is just about cooked, we're going to add in our onion. And really, when you're making this, you could use whatever kind of protein that you like. You know, beef, chicken, turkey, pork, sausage would be good. You could even use vegetarian crumbles. Whatever your family prefers. So we just want to get these onions incorporated and softened up just a little bit. Give this just another minute. Okay, let's get this put together. What we're going to do is take our bag of nacho chips, any style, and you just want to break them up right inside the bag. They don't have to be crumbs, but just get them broken up. I'm going to dump that in our bowl. Then to that, we're going to add our jar of salsa. Pour the whole jar in. Then we'll add our can of enchilada sauce. Dump the whole thing in there. We're going to add our sharp cheddar cheese. That looks like a good amount. And let's get our ground beef over here. We're going to empty the whole thing in there. And what I did not do, I did not drain the beef, because you want to make sure that your enchilada is nice and moist. You don't want it dry. Okay. Then what we'll do is we'll start stirring it. Get everything incorporated. Okay, we're going to keep incorporating. One thing that I did not mention at the beginning, but to get your chips nice and soft, if you don't have enough liquid, you can add a half a cup to a cup of milk. So we'll do just that. Yes, milk. It's strange, but that's what the recipe calls for. Get this all nice and soft and incorporated. Let's add in half of our black olives, and we'll reserve the other half for our garnish. That looks good. Okay, let's get this nice and incorporated. If there's any chips in there that you need to chop up, just chop them in the bowl. It doesn't have to be a crumble, but okay, what we're going to do is we are going to spray 9 by 13 glass dish, because I can tell you this will stick. So you want to give this a nice coat, non-stick spray. And what we'll do is get our mixture all into our dish. Again, I thought this recipe was insane until I made it and fed it to family and friends, and they were like, "Are you kidding me?" And I couldn't believe how delicious it was. It's even better the second day, as is most things. Okay, we're going to get it all in here, nice and leveled out. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our 4-cheese Mexican cheese or taco cheese, whatever you have in your store. And we're going to sprinkle that liberally all over the top. Don't skimp with the cheese because it really makes it. This would be great to just serve with a salad. It's a really nice make-ahead dish too. Take it to church, take it to a potluck. Easy dish to make for your family for the week. It's delicious. I used about 3/4 of this bag. And what we're going to do is we're going to go put it in the 350 oven for 1 hour. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour, and we won't touch it. Okay, now that our enchilada casserole has been in the oven for an hour, we've let it rest for about 15 minutes. And actually, the longer the better, because it can set up much nicer. So this might just come out of here a little soupy, but let's give it a taste. Smells amazing. Oh wow, that's good. Good, good, good. Let's garnish it with a little sour cream, or a lot of sour cream, and some black olives. Let's get some on there. Oh yeah. And we're going to use a little dried cilantro, just a little bit, just to make it look nice. Oh, didn't I put too much on? That's all right. Okay, let's give this a taste. I'll get a little bit of everything. Olive, sour cream. And it's hot. Mmm. Mmm. Seriously, your family will enjoy this. Try it.